Menteri Berdikmi Ikatanat Boarding UAT Mondal ulah Kaba ke Jingmaramot ke Jingkieng Umiam. Bat kadam on salak ben Pyndep haka bukut Jong Bnai Naitung lanin nailar. Henry unsa petha iki ben yat nak surok ke bakalan. Syuk bekeren halor ke jinglong jingman katanat boarding haka jela Menteri laong bakladon ke jing perlip ding kak hakini ki kendiat sngi. Haka ba ke eryong remal kala penjot ki sainar elektrik bat ke jingsam boarding. Henry ki he ke MEECL Klatreshitam pan penyok boarding biang hakajela.
That we will complete in due course of time. What I told you, that July end or August, first week of August. We are working also to allow the vehicle to pass in zigzag way so that we can work in a better way to complete the work. So two lane, no, left and right wing. If you go down, we'll allow some vehicle to go to right, then take a left turn to the already completed concrete one, then they go, and then they took the right again to exit. So by the meantime, we'll cover the portion which will not allow them to go. I think that the last cyclone Remal has devastated our power distribution and transmission system. So we are working on it. Somewhere you might have seen that our ground staffs, they are working day, night to see that power supply is restored as early as possible.